Earth Day, April 22nd. But wait, why do we consciously take the time to remember Earth for just one day? Earth, the place of our existence, the home to our favorite pets, domestic or wild. And guess what? Our favorite malls, the Apple Factory, and even our adored celebrities all live on a piece of Earth too. So what's the point? Well, we all live at a time when the Earth and the environment need us the most. High levels of CO2, excessive energy consumption, the climate change disaster is real and upcoming. But I want to talk about the climate change today. I'll leave that up to the rightly chosen world leader, Greta Thunberg. Today, I'm going to be talking about the impacts of climate change. A 2015 paper led by Thomas Knudsen shows a 28% global increase in the number of Category 4 and 5 hurricanes, a 42% increase in the North Atlantic, and a whooping 335% increase in the Northeastern Pacific. From the Weather Channel, scientists say heavy rainfalls have increased by about 70% in many parts of the United States. According to the Atlantic Posts, scientists say over the past 5 decades, the number of summertime wildlife fires have increased by a whopping 800% in many western parts of the United States. We should only be hoping that our math grade increases by that mind-blowing percent, not the number of threatening natural hazards that pose risk to our health and safety. So, what's the solution to this? Beyond advocating about climate change and encouraging efforts to regulate climate change, it's important to come together as one society, being more proactive and prepared to protect our health and the health of our loved ones. These startling statistics show that natural hazards do happen. It's always a matter of when. At one point in time, I was with family in the West Coast when a wild land fire broke out nearby. We felt anxious and lost in a disaster we didn't feel we could experience so soon. Moreover, we felt disheartened at the places and lives affected. And although we can't control the timings of when these natural hazards occur, it's important, and I emphasize then, to be able to be prepared and respond in an immediate and efficient manner. So, what does that involve? Well, within my family, we coped with the wildland fire disaster by coming up with a plan, addressing what we should do and how we should do it. And we have other plans for the other natural hazards we may face. In the case of the wildland fire disaster, at that time on the scene, we first analyzed the surrounding situation, asking questions like how much at risk are we to the natural hazard? How can we reduce or avoid this risk? And for how long might we be at risk? Second, we gathered our own resources, such as a comprehensive disaster safety kit that includes items such as water, food, blankets, flashlights, and a first aid kit, among so much more. Third, we closely monitored local disaster reportings, and from that, adjusted our step-by-step plan accordingly, as a means to educate ourselves on available resources, or seeking out local safety shelters, and opportunities to receive outside relief. Coming out safely from this wild land fire helps strengthen our mindset to be prepared for anything. Such situations emphasize that it's never a matter of if a natural or emergency disaster will happen. It's always a matter of when. And in order to be protected, we must be prepared. Thank you.